How to move photos to hidden album on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to move photos to hidden album on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Photos on your iPhone. Now go ahead and tap on the Select option on the top right of your screen and select the pictures and videos that you want to hide. Once you have selected the media, tap on the three dots you see on the bottom right of your screen, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Hide option. You will receive a confirmation pop-up, so tap on the Hide option, and with this, the pictures and videos will be hidden. Now, go back and scroll down to the Utilities tab. Here, tap on the Hidden option and you will be asked to enter your Face ID or passcode. So go ahead and enter that and you will be able to view the photos and videos that you just hid. Now, if you want to unhide them, you can tap on the Select option and select the media that you want to unhide and tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the option for Unhide. Tap on that, and with this, your media will be unhidden. So this is how you can move photos to hidden album on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.